Your very DNA, the blueprint of your existence, is under constant assault, silently accumulating damage that paves the way for chronic illness. You think you understand what food does to your body. Prepare for a revelation. This isn't about calories or vitamins. This is about safeguarding your genetic code from the inside out. Today, we unearth the shocking cellular mechanism by which a humble sprout can activate an internal defense system, dramatically enhancing your body's ability to repair genetic errors and neutralize toxic threats at their source. We're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of sulforaphane, reveal exactly how it flips the switch on your most powerful protective pathway, and discover why this tiny plant may be the most profound cellular ally you're not eating enough of. Every single day, your body confronts an onslaught of invisible adversaries, from the exhaust fumes you inhale on your commute to the pesticides clinging to conventionally grown produce. Even the stress of a challenging workday. Each encounter creates what scientists call oxidative stress. This isn't just some abstract concept. Imagine tiny, highly reactive molecules, like microscopic wrecking balls, randomly smashing into your cells. Their favorite target? Your DNA. Think of your DNA as an exquisitely complex instruction manual for building and operating your entire body. When these reactive oxygen species collide with it, they cause breaks, mutations, and misspellings in that vital code. These errors aren't harmless. They are the fundamental seeds of aging, inflammation, and cellular dysfunction. Our bodies possess an incredible internal cleanup crew, a natural detoxification system designed to mend these breaks and neutralize these wrecking balls. But in our modern world, this crew is often overwhelmed, working overtime just to keep pace with the constant barrage. Consider the groundbreaking work published by Dr. Bruce Ames and his team at the University of California, Berkeley, as far back as 2000. Their research consistently highlighted how everyday dietary deficiencies and exposure to common toxins significantly amplified DNA damage, underscoring the critical need for robust internal defenses. Without adequate support, this DNA damage piles up, leading to cells that can't function optimally, and eventually, the symptoms of chronic disease start to manifest. This is why many people feel perpetually drained, mentally foggy, or struggle with persistent aches and pains, even if they can't pinpoint an exact cause. Their cellular machinery, including their DNA, is simply worn down, constantly trying to repair itself against overwhelming odds. But what if there was a way to radically amplify this intrinsic protection, to turn up the volume on your body's own genetic repair crew, making it not just more efficient, but exponentially more powerful? This is where the unassuming broccoli sprout steps onto the stage, not as a simple vegetable, but as a biochemical superpower. The secret lies in a compound called sulforaphane, a molecule so potent it fundamentally redefines how we think about cellular health. When you chew a broccoli sprout, two chemicals within the plant, glucoraphanin and myrosinase, combine to create sulforaphane. This isn't just an antioxidant, it's a genetic activator. Sulforaphane directly triggers a master regulatory pathway in your cells, known as Nrf2. Think of Nrf2 as the conductor of a massive cellular orchestra. When sulforaphanase activates it, Nrf2 travels into the nucleus of your cells, binding to specific regions of your DNA. What happens next is nothing short of astounding. Nrf2 essentially flips a switch, activating over 200 different genes responsible for your body's most powerful detoxification and antioxidant enzymes. We're talking about enzymes like glutathione S-transferase and NADPH quinone oxidoreductate. 1. Natural compounds your body produces that are absolutely crucial for neutralizing carcinogens, heavy metals, and those DNA-damaging free radicals. This isn't a small boost. Studies, including pivotal work by Dr. Jed W. Fahey from the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, published in 2007, have shown that sulforaphane can increase the activity of these vital detoxification enzymes by up to 200%. That means your cellular defenses are not just slightly better, they are operating at a dramatically elevated level, like upgrading your entire defense system from a local militia to a highly trained elite special forces unit. This isn't merely preventing damage, it's actively mending it. Sulforaphane has been demonstrated to promote the repair of existing DNA damage, helping to restore the integrity of your genetic code and prevent the very mutations that can lead to cancer and other serious conditions. Imagine your cellular blueprint, riddled with tiny errors, suddenly being meticulously scanned and corrected by an army of newly activated repair enzymes. This deep, molecular-level intervention changes everything. It's not just about what you avoid, it's about what you activate within you. This is the truth the food industry rarely wants you to ponder. That truly profound health can be cultivated from something so simple and natural. So, what does this scientific revelation mean for you today? How do you harness this incredible power? It's far simpler than you might imagine. Here are 3 concrete, actionable steps you can take to integrate this DNA repairing powerhouse into your life starting right now. First, cultivate your own broccoli sprouts at home. This is by far the most cost-effective and potent method. You'll need organic broccoli sprout seeds, a sprouting jar or tray, and water. Follow a simple 4 to 6 day sprouting process. Soak the seeds overnight. Then rinse and drain them 2 to 3 times a day. By day 4 or 5, you'll have vibrant, nutrient-dense sprouts ready for consumption. A quarter cup of these homegrown sprouts can deliver significantly more sulforaphane than several cups of mature broccoli, because the concentration of glucoraphane, the precursor to sulforaphane, is at its peak in these young plants. This ensures maximum activation of your Nrf2 pathway. Second, incorporate fresh, raw broccoli sprouts into your daily meals. The enzyme myrosinase, crucial for converting glucoraphanin to sulforaphane, is sensitive to heat, so consuming them raw is key. Think of them as a powerful flavor enhancer and a nutritional shot in the arm. Add a generous half cup to your morning smoothie. Its peppery notes will blend surprisingly well. Sprinkle them liberally over your lunchtime salad. Tuck them into sandwiches or wraps, or use them as a vibrant garnish for dinner. The goal is consistent, daily intake, ensuring your Nrf2 pathway is continually activated, keeping those detoxification and repair genes running at full throttle. Third, exercise extreme caution with commercially available broccoli sprout powders or supplements. Many of these products are processed in ways that can degrade or destroy the vital myrosinase enzyme or the glucoraphanin precursor. High heat drying, for example, can render the product biochemically inert. If you absolutely choose a supplement, look for those specifically labeled cold processed, raw, or indicating a guaranteed myrosinase activity. Better yet, prioritize whole, fresh sprouts. A significant portion of the supplement industry thrives on selling convenience without always delivering efficacy, especially when it comes to delicate plant compounds. Do not let yourself be fooled into thinking a capsule provides the same biological punch as a living sprout. Always scrutinize the label, and when in doubt, default to the whole food. You are no longer just eating a vegetable, you are deploying a sophisticated biological defense system with every single bite. The supermarket aisle transforms from a mere shopping trip into a strategic mission, where you identify allies in your fight for cellular resilience. Every food choice now carries a deeper meaning, a molecular consequence you can actively influence. You've stepped behind the curtain of conventional nutrition, understanding that your body isn't a passive recipient of nutrients, but an intricate machine capable of profound self-repair when given the right tools. This isn't about avoiding, it's about empowering. This isn't about dieting, it's about deliberate cellular protection. We've seen today how a tiny sprout holds a power you were never meant to discover so easily. The intricate dance of nutrition and cellular defense is far more profound than the food industry wants you to believe. Keep questioning, keep digging, because the truth about what you're truly putting in your body is waiting to be uncovered, and the next revelation is already underway.